You know, in this business, we continually experience random acts of kindness. And last week, for instance, a young man named Jake, 19 years old, turns up at our office with 132 kilograms of food. That's a lot of food. And he had purchased that food with his first ever paycheck. He didn't want any credit for it. He didn't want any acknowledgement. He just wanted to make the donation. And I said, Jake, you know, this is an amazing thing that you're doing here. Do you realize the impact that 132 kilograms of food can have on people? And I started talking to him. And he interrupted me halfway through and he said, do you take debit? And I said, you know, hey, in this business, we take anything that's valuable because we're here to feed the hungry folks. And he made an additional debit donation right there on the spot. And that sort of random act of kindness, or perhaps planned act of kindness, that's what drives us to do what we do. That's what gives us the energy, the commitment, and the focus to feed hungry people.